utsho bandi harafu uyihariki walula nizihariki nasetshenziswa ubaba lo uTeddy Brabob uhlala ngathi ayikho into wrong eyenzakalayo la ene lalela uhlala ungaceli kwabo la bamtshela indaba zakho uhleli la icela lokubhe out in tweet lol instruments really no baba akathathi ni serious la baba akathathi country serious Joe like country right now kuyaliwa abantu babizwa nge instrument abantu babizwa ngama rubbish uthi uhleli uthi awukwe ngibone sendele umuntu wakhe SMS uthi siyapi next week siya launch uJulius omunye na uJulius udela ngathi unento ayibhema la mntwana naye man.
Are you serious though?
The Honorable Malema, honorable members, can I ask that even when you are heckling, which you are allowed to do, please don't drown the speaker.
My time. Mr. Zupta, your legacy can be summed up into 3 things. Mushini Wam, Nkandla, Guptas. And I'm leaving. I can't sit here to debate what you presented here because you are not a legitimate president. Bye-bye.
That's what you ngathi bay tripping. Ukubona bathi bye bye angitona mali trip siyahamba ke size thabiseni nabantu bethu sala wena amara bengidlala bye bye uJulius ufana nama comrades aselokushini akudala akana order ama comrades akudala aselokushini bro bohlala nabilanga lonke the whole day uhleli naye besenta mama ewe comrades ne meeting ya I report back eBitori uthi I report back ngoba behleli naye the whole day akuna WhatsApp ukudala akuna SMS athi I report back ithi whereby besakhuluma namagaba amakhulu abo whereby know what you call abo mama balelizana makathi you see the whereby asifuna next lama comrades akudala uJulius Joe uJulius yahlupha lo mntwana yo lo mntwana uyadelela athi ubheka ubaba bathi bye bye uTeddy wathi bye bye hambani nesixhopha ngalento ezibovu hamba uJulius usiqoshile asamqoshi manje sakakhuluma lento afuna ukuyikhuluma bese yaphuma yahamba nabombuyiseni indlozi abagamanga abosivambo labantwana yazine ngathi yazina aboJulius ngathi bayeke lesikolo lesi sabantu amakhanda abangasebenzi ngathi hamba kahle pretty boy hamba kahle pretty boy asizofuna umuntu anibadlala wathi kuyadlala kule obhekwa bathi sala kahle pretty boy ubaba naye nganenhloko yakhe chrome lokuthi hambana hamba kahle pretty
What a week. But Holomisa really did.
Yasetshenziswa. Nani yazazi lokushini anilala endlini izolo yasetshenziswa
animameli ningqola gqi wena ungamameli honorable member Mr. Zupta, your legacy can be summed up into 3 things. Mushini Wam, Nkandla, Guptas. And I'm leaving. I can't sit here to debate what you presented here because you are not a legitimate president. Bye-bye. This is the man who knowingly had sex with an HIV positive woman and later explained to court that shower will lessen the chances of contracting HIV. We are now a laughing stock of the world. This was another sign shown to us that you are incapable of becoming a president, but we ignored that.
All right, it's 8:40 on Kaya FM.
Probably can't act like that. That is just normal. Yes. Lo mntana uqeda ukhipha wonke ama secret emhlabeni. Nalabo bebangazuba buke wenzani. Yena uye lo. Ningamkhohlwa. Wathanya ngiyageza manje. Umzula athi lo mntwana athi yeah, I got a call from Balula from the mountains.
Yes.
Ngazibuza ukuthi kusho ukuthi Transkei Goli kune network entabeni. abambalula ababhizi ngapha fanele ngabe bayenza into ezamadoda hayi umuntu ku-WhatsApp. Next akuzomnye yes andisabhizi
Xakekile.
faka ikhalamine akafanga ikhalamine ufaka ikhalamine ngapha ubhizi yawo ke ngitshela loba ukuthi miyekeleni bakhe baba secret manje balwa bodwa yazi abantu babhekile kwenzakalani.